If you're a serious trader, a whale, or a shark who thinks you've seen every trick in the book, think again. Right now, in the same second, the exact same token could be trading at two completely different prices, sometimes with a gap of $10, $15, even $20. And no, this isn't a glitch, and it isn't some scam. This is arbitrage trading, the pro-level strategy that turns those hidden price gaps into daily cash flow. While the crowd chases trends and burns their capital, the few who understand how arbitrage trading works are pulling money from the market without ever guessing whether it's going up or down. Today, I'm going to break down exactly how it works, why most traders miss it, and how you can position yourself to grab these gaps before they vanish. Let's face it, most crypto traders are losing, not because they're lazy, not because they're stupid, but because they've been programmed to look in the wrong places. The exchanges and the so-called market experts love when you chase candles, hype coins, and pump signals, because every time you make a guess, they make money whether you win or lose. And while you're watching the chart hoping for a breakout, the real money is being made somewhere else entirely. That somewhere else is arbitrage trading. This is where you stop trying to predict the market and instead exploit it. Imagine buying a coin on Binance for $203. And at the exact same moment, it is selling on another exchange for $217. That is a 14 profit per coin instantly. No guessing, no hoping, no wait and see, just numbers, hard, cold, undeniable numbers. Here's the twist. Those gaps don't sit around waiting for you. They appear for seconds, and they're gone in seconds. The reason is simple: professional traders, whales, and algorithmic bots are scanning for them 24/7. If you're not prepared, if you don't have the right tools, you'll always be late to the party. And being late means zero profit. But here's the kicker. These opportunities are hiding in plain sight. The problem is, most traders don't even know where to look. The exchanges won't tell you, your favorite influencer won't tell you, and even your trading friends probably don't notice them. That is why arbitrage trading feels almost like cheating, because you're making money in a place most people don't even think exists. So, how do the pros do it? They use systems, not feelings. Specially designed software tracks thousands of coins across dozens of exchanges in real time, scanning for those price gaps. When a profitable gap appears, they act instantly. No, maybe. No, I'll think about it. Just execute, collect, and move on to the next one. And here's the proof. Last week, our scan picked up a $17 gap on a mid-cap token between Binance and KuCoin. We moved 10,000 in under 3 minutes and walked away with $835 net profit with zero exposure to market direction. The market could have crashed in the next hour and it wouldn't have mattered, because arbitrage trading isn't about predicting, it's about collecting. Now imagine doing this once a day, twice a day, even just a few times a week. You're building a daily cash flow machine. One that doesn't rely on hype, news, or market mood. But here's the hard truth. Manual hunting is impossible now. The gaps vanish in seconds, and there are thousands of coins moving at the same time. Without pro-level tools, you'll always be the last to know. That is why I am telling you this. If you're serious about playing at the same level as the whales, you need to step up your game. We've put together a full guide that breaks down the exact process, the exchanges to watch, the liquidity traps to avoid, the coins that historically produce gaps, and how to move your capital in seconds without losing to fees. You'll see real pairs, real trades, and the real strategy behind arbitrage trading. Stop guessing, stop hoping, start exploiting. This is not chasing a trend, this is hunting a difference. And every day you delay, another trader is taking the profit you could have had. So here's your next move. Tap my avatar, open the channel description, and grab the guide. Inside, you'll see exactly how to set up for your first arbitrage trading execution and start building that daily cash flow. Whether you're trading on the bank, MEX, OX, or any major exchange, the principles work. Whales are already doing this. The only question is whether you'll join them or watch from the sidelines. Don't wait until the next price gap disappears, be the one who takes it. Thank you for watching. If you found value here, hit subscribe, like, and share this video with your trading circle. And remember, Tap my avatar or open the channel description now to get your bonus when you sign up. Your daily cash flow starts today.